In a world teeming with diverse cultures and languages, the ability to speak multiple languages is akin to possessing a superpower. Imagine walking into a cafe in Paris, ordering your coffee in fluent French, then switching to Japanese to chat with the tourist next to you, and finally responding to a text in Spanish. This isn't a skill reserved for the gifted few, it's an attainable goal for anyone with the right approach. Polyglots, individuals fluent in several languages, often seem like magicians. But the truth is, their abilities are the result of specific, replicable strategies. What secrets do they hold? How do they navigate the complex world of syntax, grammar, and vocabulary of multiple languages so effortlessly? This essay uncovers the layers of techniques, habits, and mindsets that polyglots use to master their linguistic prowess. Understanding the psychological foundation of language learning is crucial. Every journey begins with a mindset. For polyglots, it's a blend of curiosity, determination, and a willingness to make mistakes. Passion fuels our learning, pushing us to explore and absorb more. Motivation isn't just about discipline, it's also about joy. Loving the process makes it sustainable. Polyglots often talk about their passion for languages as a driving force. This passion keeps the learning process enjoyable and engaging. Fear of errors can be a major roadblock. Successful language learners embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. They know that every error is a step closer to mastery. This attitude is essential for anyone looking to expand their linguistic abilities. Immersion is a key strategy. You don't need to travel to achieve it. Transform your home into a mini language lab. Label items in your target language, listen to foreign radio, and watch movies without subtitles. Technology brings the world to our fingertips. Use apps and virtual reality to simulate conversations and environments. These tools provide consistent exposure essential for language acquisition. Routine is your ally. Set specific times for language study. Consistency turns sporadic learning into a habit. It's about making language a part of your daily life, not an occasional hobby. Spaced repetition systems, SRS, are invaluable for vocabulary retention. These systems remind you of words just before you're likely to forget them, embedding them deeper into your memory. Grammar is best learned through context. Rather than memorizing rules, use them in sentences. Engage with native content to see these rules in action. This approach helps you learn naturally as children do. Start listening and speaking from day one. Language is a tool for communication, not just a subject to study. Engage in real conversations no matter your level. This practical use builds confidence and skills simultaneously. Culture and language are deeply intertwined. Understanding cultural context not only enhances language skills, but also makes the learning process more meaningful. It's about more than just words. It's about connecting with people. Dive into the media of your target language. Watch films, listen to music, and read books. This not only improves your language skills but also gives you insights into cultural nuances and idioms. Cultural immersion, whether through travel or community engagement, deepens language abilities and transforms theoretical knowledge into practical, usable skills. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with fellow learners. Join groups, participate in challenges, and share your progress. This community support can be highly motivating. Attend language meetups or organize your own. These events provide practical speaking opportunities and the chance to learn from others. Language exchange partners offer mutual benefits. Teach your native language while learning another. This reciprocal approach not only builds skills but also friendships. Plateaus are common in language learning. When progress feels stalled, change your approach. Introduce new materials or focus on different language skills to reinvigorate your learning. Advanced memorization techniques, like the method of loci, can enhance vocabulary acquisition. Visualize a familiar place and associate it with new words to improve recall. Maintaining multiple languages requires active use. Rotate languages daily, engage in varied speaking situations, and keep challenging yourself with new content. There are numerous apps and websites designed for language learning. From Duolingo to Anki, these tools support different aspects of language acquisition. Books like Fluent Forever and the Polyglot Project provide strategies and insights. They offer a blend of personal stories and practical advice. Consider both custom and commercial tools. Custom tools can be tailored to your specific needs, offering a personalized approach to learning. Many believe language learning is only for the young. The truth is, it's never too late to learn. Adult brains can still form new language connections effectively. Talent is overrated. Consistent effort and the right strategies matter more than innate ability. Anyone can learn a language with perseverance and the correct approach. Some think learning multiple languages confuses the brain. In reality, each additional language enhances cognitive abilities and linguistic awareness. Hearing from other polyglots can be incredibly inspiring. I've spoken with many, each with unique methods and stories. Here are a few highlights. Anna from Brazil learned 5 languages through music and films. She emphasizes the fun in learning and recommends singing along to improve pronunciation and rhythm. John, a programmer from Canada, uses language learning to enhance his coding skills. He finds similarities in learning programming languages and foreign languages, using structured thinking to his advantage. Maria in Spain hosts a weekly international dinner party. This not only helps her practice her languages, but also enriches her cultural understanding and culinary skills. The journey to becoming a polyglot is as rewarding as it is challenging. It opens up new worlds and opportunities. Hopefully, this essay has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to start or enhance your language learning journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small, stay consistent, and keep your passion alive. Embrace the mistakes and enjoy every step of your journey. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own polyglot story with the world. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together and unlock the secrets that will transform you into a language master.